Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mark Lacey from ARB Coopers Plains and ARB Springwood. Well, there's nothing quite like a dark and stormy afternoon in Queensland, so fingers crossed that the thunderstorm can hold off just long enough for us to get our message out today. First and foremost, I'd like to thank you all for tuning into this extremely important media conference. I guess we're here today as a direct result of a COVID-driven lifestyle boom. And as such, we've had advice from our Chief HR Officer who has made it very clear that we now need 2 more accessory fitters for each of our fast-paced, exciting ARB workshops. Now, given that we're all in this together, we're going to need your help to dob in a friend or colleague. Yes, that's it. It's amnesty time. You got it. So, if you know, sleep with, work with, live with, or grew up with the best mechanic you've ever known, an awesome diesel fitter, or an unbelievable auto electrician, then you need to report them to us immediately so we can employ them as accessory fitters. If you do, and we end up employing this person or persons in the workshops at ARB Coopers Plains or ARB Springwood, you will receive one of the following options as your personal reward. How's $500 worth of cryptocurrency sound? Or a $500 Coles Myer Voucher? Or $500 worth of ARB Gift Card? So come on, Brisbane, we really need you to get behind us on this one. Could I now ask all of you to just take a minute to reflect on the consequences of doing nothing to support this important cause? Let's just imagine it was your brother or sister needing a roof rack fitted to their SUV before their next big interstate holiday. What if it was your parents that needed a suspension installed in their 4x4 so they can tow their dream caravan on the adventure of a lifetime? Would you feel just a little bit responsible if you didn't pass this on? Come on guys, we've got to get this message out there. Okay, I've got time for a few short questions.
What type of product are you installing?
Good question. The type of products installed predominantly, it's the full range of ARB products. You can look that up on the internet, but it's bull bars, winches, tow bars, suspensions, diff locks, and of course a large range of lighting and electrical, just to name a few. We just can't go over them all today, but great question, thank you.
What type of vehicles are they working on?
The type of vehicles they work on? Predominantly, it's the latest, most popular range of 4x4s and SUVs, usually new. Quite often we go back and do some of the older ones as well.
So will they require their own tools?
Their own tools, yes. So all fitters will require their own tools. Most of our fitters have a roll cab or similar toolbox, and take it that all large expensive tools are supplied by the company, so they don't have to stress out there, but they will need some form of roll cab.
What hours do you normally work?
Hours Monday to Friday, and plenty of overtime if they want it, but no weekend work unless they request it.
Do they need trade paperwork?
No, they don't need trade paperwork, but we want them to be qualified. You know, we expect that they have competency levels good enough to fit our full range of product. We don't want someone who's like, oh, I'd love to learn. I mean, we might want them as well, but we're predominantly now looking for qualified fitters.
When can they start?
When can they start? Great question over the back. Immediately, Monday. No, look, give good notice to your previous employer, but yes, we'd love to see you as soon as possible. So guys, that's about all I can pass on today, but please, we'd like to get this message out, share it, send it to your friends. Do it now. Don't just don't like it and move on to the next post. But if you can get this message or email us directly on info@arbcoopersplains.com.au. All the info will be attached in the bottom of the post. We will have a direct ad you can click on. So please get the message out there. We just really can't thank you enough for that. So that's going to wrap it up today, guys. Can't thank you enough for your precious time today. Look forward to hearing from 4 of you. Thanks a lot. See you later, guys. Bye.